1975 Harley X90 fresh restore, built in Italy by the Aermacchi company. Fresh restore for Bob up in Wisconsin. Drove this down back of his minivan. Wanted a full restore. Took it down to the frame. All bearing seals, gaskets, everything's replaced inside the engine. New piston rings, new piston. Love this red, came out so nice. Can't really see the metallic that's in it with the sunshine. You see it with your eye, but you can't see it in the picture. Had a custom plate made for him. That's what the plate would have looked like back in 1975 on a motorcycle up in Wisconsin. Had the speedometer rebuilt, new chrome ring. Well, let's start this thing up real quick here. There it is. Another one brought back from the graveyard.